The state auditor found that the Village of Manchester wrote a check for more than $20,000 to a private nonprofit so they could pay off one of their loans. Well, that money that they used was only supposed to be used for the village's fire levy. Documents from the Ohio auditor of the state's office show the Village of Manchester is now under audit. It named 3 people, including Council President Christine Henderson, Fire Chief Richard Bowman, and Village Fiscal Officer Robin Taylor, who may be responsible to pay back more than $20,000 to the village. The auditor's office said the Manchester Firemen's Benefit Association took out a loan and obtained a promissory note for more than $60,000 to pay for improvements to the village's fire station. It said due to insufficient policies and procedures, the village paid the association more than $20,000. And I spoke with council member Troy Jolly, who said the village council didn't authorize the payment and the check should have never been written, which is why the auditor will decide if the payments were illegal. Do you think this was fraud?
Well, that's what the auditor of state is saying, and when you read through the ORC, yeah, it's fraud.
Did you feel that some on council wanted this covered up or hidden from the public?
I will use the words filtered, to be filtered down, and I don't think it's fair to the public to filter any of this down.
I've been trying to get a hold of Council President Henderson and Fire Chief Bowman several times today, but my calls went unanswered. I also went to Village Hall to speak with Fiscal Officer Taylor, where her assistant told me she has no comment. And those 3 people now have 5 days to respond to the auditor's report, and the village's own lawyer now has to come up with a report in the next 120 days about the village's next plan. But in this report, it made it very clear that this case may ultimately be decided by the Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost. In Manchester, Brett Bagansky, WCPO 9 News.